Since colonial time, the Sabaots have sought to have the historical land question resolved, and we have never had the issue resolved to date. Even after the promise of post-independent government that all the land that had been taken by the colonialists will revert back to the communities, the Sabaot community are yet to get their land back. And the same land, the bigger part of it, the government took it over. And it is currently what we have, the ADC farms in Kitale.
We are asking the British government to avail us an opportunity, and we discuss this issue together. Because the many governments that have been in power in Kenya have not helped us. We need the British now that the king is around, and we hear that he wanted to get the information right from the people themselves.
And to go back to Mombasa